Good morning, guys. So it is 6:30 this morning. Lily's in bed with me. I've legit just woken up. I'm really annoyed this morning. I edited yesterday's video by like 7:30. Like it was done. Yeah.
You know what Daddy wanted for his birthday?
What?
I wanted for my birthday a soccer ball thing.
A basketball hoop.
Yeah, I wanted a basketball hoop.
Hoop.
I wanted a hoop for my birthday.
Did you want it or did Daddy want it?
Daddy wants one and I want one for my birthday.
We'll have to see if Santa can bring one.
It's for me and Daddy.
Yeah.
Because Daddy wants one.
Yeah.
He's trampoline.
Yeah. Yeah, by like 6:30 or maybe 7:30, and I think the thumbnail took me till about to find a thumbnail and edit it. That took me till about 7:30. So everything was ready to go up at 7:30. So I uploaded it and it was like going super fast, and it got to 88%, and it just stopped for like hours. Like it got to like 9 o'clock and it was still stopped at 88%. But it's going up now. This happened to me yesterday morning. Like I just don't know what's going on with my computer. Hey guys, so it's not too long after I checked in with you guys, and I just went to go get Lily up and get her ready to have something to eat and get ready for a walk. And she snuck off before while I was filming. I don't know if you guys saw. And I've just gone to look at her on the lounge, and she is asleep almost just after 7:30. So I don't know whether just to let her sleep or wake her up, but I think I'm just going to let her sleep. I'm going to get up now, I'm going to open my blinds, let the sun in, and I'm currently watching the Shane Dawson Jake Paul video. I've been following it. I don't really know Team 10 Jake Paul or anything, but it's actually super interesting to watch. Hello guys, so, oh, that's really bright. So I've just gotten up and gotten myself together. And I did, my nan is all into like yoga and like Pilates and all of that stuff. And when I went and when I went and saw her a couple of weeks ago, she gave me these like DVDs. My nan still has DVDs. I thought I'd give them a go. So the one that I used was the Methods Pilates. Oh, it was Pilates. I thought it was yoga, but it was just this DVD, and I put it in my computer and it worked. And she gave me a yoga for slimming, a Pilates one, a cardio boot camp one, which I'll have to try, and then there's one for back health, which she gave me for Jack to use it. Because he's got a really bad back, and he was like hell no. I'm opening up the house because I am about to clean the floors, and then I'm going to mop the floors. And while I've got Lily here today, I'm going to go through all of her clothes to go through what fits her and what doesn't fit her, so I can get her some new summer clothes. So she has got, I'm just opening her room, she has got a lot of clothes that I need to get rid of, like small clothes. She's definitely, she is definitely a size 4, sometimes 3, but more 4. So I need to go through, because I know I've still got a lot of like size 2 stuff. I went to go put on a size 2 pair of shorts for her, and they wouldn't even go up her little legs. She's gotten really tall all of a sudden, so yeah, I need to go through her stuff and get rid of it. But yeah, I'm going to clean the floors. I don't know if you guys have noticed, I moved that bed from there. It's been sitting there for weeks. I've been waiting for Jack to move it, and I was like Hulk mode and just pulled it out. And when he gets home, he either needs to pack it down if we're keeping it, or he needs to get rid of it. I'm sick of looking at it, because in our spare room we've got like, it's like our storage room, and we need to clear it for Christmas time and get a double bed for family to stay. But like in here, which is like our dining area, echoes now, so this is gonna be like my main focus of the house, is to fill this area. But yeah, so I'm gonna go through Lily's clothes now, and then I'm gonna quickly show you guys what I have been doing for wedding planning. Just put my little like sneak peek folder on the table so I don't forget to show yous. And I thought I'd quickly show you guys. I don't think I showed it in my vlog yesterday. I think I spoke about it, but while I'm right here, so I filled this out yesterday, and this board is from the daily orders, and her name is Leanne, I'm pretty sure, and she is organising for the 4 of us. She's on Instagram and YouTube and stuff. I love her page so much. But when I saw this board, I was like, oh my god, I need this. So it's just got Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. They have all different boards, the daily orders, but this is my favourite one so far. Okay, so this is what we're dealing with. This is all clean clothes here that I have to put away, but I don't want to put it away until I go through her drawers and get rid of, ooh, nudie, and get rid of what doesn't fit her, so then I can make more room. Also in here, oh, I need to put away all of her hanging clothes and go through all of this, because I don't think a lot of this fits her anymore. But I want to just go through it, make some room, and get her some new summer clothes. We just have clothes everywhere. Like she has so many clothes. So I'm going to do that now. She's in here with me. We're going to try shoes on. We're going to try everything on to see what fits and what doesn't fit, and get rid of it, and then we can get new clothes next week.
Yeah.
Yeah. So I'm still putting Lily's clothes away. I've got a pile of throw out and a pile of shoes. Still got all this to put in a bag and throw out. And she just waddled off and jumped into bed and has fallen asleep. I can't believe it. But I've just come across this new folding technique, and this is how I'm going to start folding Lily's clothes and my own, but I just YouTubed it and I realised I was doing it wrong for my own, so this is how I need to redo mine eventually, but for now I can't be bothered. But yeah, I'm almost there. So these 2 piles of shirts that we're keeping, and that's throw away, and I still got to just go through all this stuff. But I'm a man down.
If you will tell me I'm the only one that you love, life could be a dream, sweetheart. Hello, hello again. Shaboom, and home with me again. Oh, life could be a dream. If I could take you up in paradise like a rose. If you will tell me I'm the only one that you love, life could be a dream, sweetheart. Hello, hello again. Shaboom, and home with me again. Oh, Life could be a dream, sweetheart. Hello, hello again. Shaboom, and off the music.
Hey guys, so it's been a couple of hours since I last checked in with yous. It's now 4 o'clock. I'm sweating. The sun is like beaming through Lily's room, but I honestly, when she woke up, gave her something to eat, and I honestly have not stopped. I have filled one whole bag full of Lily's clothes to get rid of and shoes, but look at this. I don't know if I've done the fold right, but it works for me. I'm going to go to IKEA in a couple of weeks and get baskets to section all of this in. So they're just her shorts, her pyjamas. All she's got is Peter Alexander and Cotton On kids pyjamas. So yeah, like I said, I'm going to go to IKEA in a couple of weeks and get some cubes to section everything with. And this is what I'm left with in her wardrobe. So she's just got like shirts, skirts, and some like play suits, and just all of that. How cute is this little set from Bardo Kids? Oops. It is like a little crop top with little shorts. So cute. And then we've just got just some jumpers here, and then these are all like her tutu dresses, like all her girly dresses. And how cute is this up here? So this is Minnie and Mickey. My auntie got these for Lily from America. I was more excited than Lily. Lily was only little, but like I love Minnie and Mickey. And then my cousin Casey, who's been in the video, got me and Lily matching Minnie Mouse headbands from Japan. But yeah, and then there's Japan Minnie. That one is another like little ornament Minnie, who is from Disney as well. She's an official one, and see how they got the stamps? Official. And this is just Lily's little elephant that just says her name and all her birth, and then she's got a little carousel. I am absolutely exhausted because she still has clothes on the line, so tomorrow is going to finish it. What have you got? Show me.
Look.
Oh, is that your puppy dog?
Yeah. Do you want to feel it?
Come on, I'm going out now.
Okay. Take some clothes.
Whoa. What are you doing? How cute's that little one? Jumpsuit.
It's not for you though.
Are you playing?
Yeah.
Go.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Jackson. Happy birthday to you. Hooray! Hooray! Hooray!
Come on out,
Hooray!
Hello guys, so it is about 8 o'clock. We have had the little birthday cake for Jack. Ooh. And we've had some of my family here, my cousins and stuff. We had cake, we had some dinner, and Lily is asleep, so I'm trying to be really quiet. I'm going to create some more content instead of just vlogging every day tomorrow to upload for Vlogtober. I just think it'll be better to spice it up a little bit. But yeah, I'm so stuffed. I had like one little slice of cheese of the mud cake, but yeah, I guess I'll see you all tomorrow, and please give it a thumbs up, like, comment and subscribe, and I will see you guys tomorrow.